guys, so this is a vlog starting around February, girl, I don't know, what day is it today? February 20th? I mean, no, today is February 20th. It's ending today. And the vlog started around last Friday. It's just like random clips. I'm gonna try to get better at vlogging. But I just wanted to put this one up because I did film the stuff for it, so might as well put it up. And then I wanted to do my intro looking cute, so that's what I did. And yeah, so let's get started. Hey y'all, so I did my makeup and I thought it was really cute. You can't see my other two hearts because my front braids block them, but I have them right by my eyebrows. Ooh, I don't know why my voice did that. And then I'm wearing this oversized, girl, back up, my chair playing me for, oh, because it's hitting my canvases. I have this oversized sweater from Selkie and I have it like tucked up, and then I have this pink skirt on from, I think it's Forever 21, and then just a tank top. But I figured I'd put this, like, just something in the vlog because I didn't want to waste this makeup. I did do some TikToks, which I went from, like, it's not a lot, but I went, for me it's a lot. I went from like 300 views and now my videos all say 0, and I'm like, what's going on? Like, now it might be that I had some handcuffs in one of my videos, but they shouldn't be against the rules because I didn't do nothing with the handcuffs. I only said choke me, that's it. And then after I did TikToks, I took some pictures. I'll insert them under here, and now I'm just like this. I am very stressed, so I'm trying to like keep doing some kind of work, do something so that I don't think about it. Let's just say companies don't care about you, jobs don't care about you, and they will continue to fuck you over even months after you're not with them anymore. They will find a way if they hated you. And my job, my old manager, he hated me, okay? Like, it was bad. I mean, like, at the end of the day, I'm like, okay, it's gonna be okay, so I'm not totally freaking out, but I'm like internalizing that stress. So I don't know, but yeah, I don't know what else I'm gonna do today. Like I said, I just wanted to add this little snippet. Today is, well, I was about to say the time, Saturday, February 13th, and then it's 6:10 p.m. and my little, doesn't say where I am, does it? No, my little thing is snowing. All right, y'all, so I took my braids out last night, and this is what I'm left with. Don't make fun of me, okay? But yeah, I just put it in like doo-doo twists, and I'm gonna straighten my hair because I got nothing else to do, and we snowed in anyway. Well, not quite snowed in, but like there was a snowstorm, so we can't do nothing that way. So I'm gonna straighten my hair. I would do it on camera, but honestly I kind of want to get it done fast, and I don't want to worry about my camera, and also I'm on my period and I'm kind of like irritated. But I'm gonna be using these olive oil ORS heat protection serum because this was the only one I could find in my house, because I don't really straighten my hair often at all, and my mom doesn't straighten her hair either. And then I'm going to use this oil moisturizing lotion before everything, let that sit in for a second, and then put the heat protectant on just on my hair, because if I put anything that has any kind of water in it after I'm done straightening my hair, it's gonna go shit, and it already don't stay super straight. So I will see you guys then. Hey y'all, so I'm done straightening my hair. Well, straightening it as much as I'm straightening it as much as I can. Oh Lord Jesus, I really need to get my ends cut. I don't know where though, so I might have to just order scissors off of Amazon, like hair scissors, and cut them myself. because the last 2 times I ever went to a salon, they tried to chop all my damn hair off. So it's not like bone straight. I've never been able to get my hair bone straight before, and my hair is thick. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, or yeah, because I need to film a video today. Okay, all right, so I'm done with my makeup. I put on my like tiger earrings. You probably won't be able to see that, but now I'm thinking about what to wear because I kind of want to just have this on. However, I ain't shaving my armpits and I ain't about to. Yeah, my hair at the bottom is dang, I look cute in the mirror, and then I look at the camera and I'm like, oh, okay. Anyway, so I'm thinking about wearing, it's just like a big old oversized shirt dress that has a collar. I'm gonna put my hair up because I don't like my hair down. Well, not that I don't like it, I just don't wear my hair down. I'm staring at myself. Mobby. Okay, so I'm gonna, let me just go ahead and put this on. Is that, that doesn't look good, does it? If I like put this up and then like delete this, have this up, and then nah, let me change. That's kind of cute or whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and film my other video, which I don't know what it is, so I'm gonna make it up. And then I'll come back and talk to you guys for a second, and then I think that'll be the end of the vlog for today. And then this is the one that's gonna go up on Sunday. So let me go ahead and do that because I need a video for tomorrow. And you're talking to me? Oh my gosh, stop it. Okay, bye. Oh, okay, so hey y'all, so I just did my makeup because I straightened my hair a couple days ago, as you saw in my last video, but I braid my hair at night, so my hair is kind of like wavy right now, but I'm kind of over it. I kind of want to braid my hair back, so I was like, let me just get one more video with my hair like this, well, two, because I want to do a hair update, and then it's going back in braids. Okay, so let me, hold on. So I was kind of wearing my hair like this, but I also have it like in my pigtails. No, I was wearing it like this today. I thought it was cute, you know, whatever. Yeah. So yeah, I just wanted to show the vlog. Today is it's Saturday at 8:51, February 20th. I'm gonna edit the vlog today, and I know it's just gonna be like all over the place because I don't really know things I did, but the update for today is that I scoped out an area of work with my mom. and because I have really bad anxiety, and how to get over there, I have to go to a part of the highway that freaks me out. So I started crying, and so she went with me, just to like see how it was. And it's actually a really easy drive, so I'm gonna try maybe tomorrow and go back over there by myself tomorrow or Monday, and see how that goes. And if it goes well, I'm gonna try and stick with that job. But if not, I'm gonna try and get on to another one, because I'm not trying to be freaked out every time I have to go to work, you know. But another thing, that's pretty much it actually. My gym stuff really hasn't progressed. I'm eating normally now, so like I said in my gym video, or my like fitness update video, I am in the gaining phase. So I'm gaining weight from that, but which is good, because I need to, like, I needed to eat basically. So like me gaining the weight is normal, and it's a good thing. And then when I get back to the gym, I'll just lose the weight but still have that muscle. So that's pretty much it for the vlog. I don't really have anything else to update on. This week was just really stressful, and then I had to figure out things with work and stuff like that. But I thought I looked cute, so I wanted to hop on here, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, and then I'm gonna put my hair back into braids, most likely tomorrow or Monday. But there'll be a new vlog starting tomorrow, so I just wanted to close this one out. So if you like this vlog, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.